Ugh, still no signal. TB and GB are missing, and it's all my fault. No, it's not, and you know that.
Any progress?
Mm-mm.
Guys, come outside.
Barf bag? Not only me. Match? It's nice to have some help.
It was a party and we weren't invited.
Hey, it's free smart. Yeah!
Who recovered her?
Now that we're all here,
I have a question. Does anyone know where TV and GB are?
no. TD knows something, but she can't talk. Just drill it. Guys, we're going back to Goiki. And we need all the help we can get. Oh, we're on the ground now. Who are you again?
Just drink this. Are you okay?
That was awesome. How did you do that?
Well, after eating berries for years, I started to get sick of them. I started to explore to try and find other foods. But then I found a way to make different flavors of yoyo berries. I later discovered anti-metal potions.
Awesome! Hey, could we be friends? What's wrong? I'm bored.
Be quiet, Fanny.
Speak for yourself, Coffee.
Where, if I have to be in this room for another second? Oh!
Boy minus 6. What?
What is he calculating?
How many of us are supposed to be here?
51, 52. 3 people are missing. Make that 2.
Looking for us?
No. But maybe you can help.
If we're going back to Goiki, we'll need the recovery center. I forgot about that. Hey, I'm sure we have enough power to push for it. You're right. Let's go.
What are those idiots doing?
They tried to ruin your plans, sir.
Well, they're not going to have much luck with that. Get down there and stop them.
All right, we're here. Pin? Yeah. But it's glued to the ground. Black hole. It wasn't my fault. Blocky, are you okay? I don't know. We're almost at Goiki. Come on. Hmm? Well, okay then. Huh?
Hey, Needy.
Don't call me Needy. Hey, you. Don't I look beautiful? No.
Loser? Oh my god, it's Loser from BFDI 7. I mean, hi?
The forest is infected. We need to go now.
I have to stop relying on these dimwits. I'll just have to take care of them myself.
I knew it! Guys, they're knocked out hard. I know exactly who would have done this. Guys, wake up! Pen? We need to get out of it.
Get off the plane now, or else it's bye-bye.
Can blow me up, but not TB or GB.
Oh, it's not for you.
Everyone's okay.
Not for long.
You don't mean...
I'll let you decide.
I can't choose between anyone. I don't think you have to. Pour this onto this thingy. It's memory eraser potion. However, doing this will wipe out our memories of this adventure. Only small details will be remembered. Whatever it takes.
Are you ready?
I came here to save them. I'm willing to take the risk.
Okie dokie. I'll launch the missiles right now. And, launched. Haha, there's no way you can survive this. What? What's happening?
Looks like this is the end. Goodbye, old friend.